welcome back to 2019. Woo! Yes, I'm still making videos in 2019 because why not? And YouTube is still a thing. When it's not a thing, I won't be making videos. That's the deal. So I have a kind of like a what to come video that I want to talk to you guys about of what's gonna come here in 2019 for my channel, for you guys, for myself, and just some updates. So, as you guys know, I did start to film twice a week videos because I wanted to test it out this past month and see how it works. I think it's working pretty well, so I'm going to keep that going twice a week every Wednesday and Sunday. Sunday videos will definitely be up at 12, but Wednesday's videos won't be always at like 3. It might be later depending on what I have during the day or if I'm just lazy. That's the thing. So Wednesday's videos will definitely be up between 3 and like 8. Okay? So that's the plan. Twice a week every Wednesday and Sunday, like I said, there'll be makeup vlogs. And that's pretty much it. Maybe some random DIYs in between. But I noticed when I was looking back at my old videos that my makeup videos used to do pretty well back in the day. And I really want to start with that more. So as you guys know, in the last couple weeks I posted makeup tutorials. Makeup videos are more my thing. I want to lean a little more toward drugstore to making a more of a niche, smaller niche, because I have a niche but I don't know what it is yet. So I really want to lean toward the drugstore niche, and I want to really try to stick with that because I know I started to, and then I just like went into whatever videos I wanted to film. But yeah, you'll still get your vlog because I like looking back on days that I'm with my friends or like concert. Be like, you guys know I am on social media. I have a Twitter and Instagram for you guys to be on the lookout on when videos. I'm trying my best to be active on Instagram. I do like post pictures, but I'm not that best with Instagram stories. I don't know why. I just can't see myself to like film Instagram stories. I'm gonna try to get better at it so you guys can see more or behind the scenes. I do like tell you guys when I'm editing, when a video is gonna be posted. But I'll try to like film. It's just like people that I know follow me on it, so it's like a little weird because a lot of them don't subscribe. So we'll try to be more active on that. Twitter I'm definitely pretty active on, so definitely be following me on my social media anyway throughout 2019 because that's where you'll get a lot of information. What are some of the goals for this year? 1, I hope to hit close to 1K if that's possible. We don't know. We're gonna try our best to like hit that because I don't know. If you guys have any tips, let me know. Right now we're so close to 400 subscribers, which is honestly amazing to me. And yeah, so I hope to really grow this channel. If you guys really want to be active with me, definitely comment, like, subscribe of course, and just be active with me on social media because then I know what you guys want, what I want. But if you guys are active and I'm active, I feel like we're doing something right, you know? I don't know. I just want to try to be as active with you guys and just give you guys updates every once in a while like this. So also in 2019, I will have a job in 2019. I don't know when, what month it's gonna happen, but hopefully when you're watching this in the next month or so, I will be working. So videos might take a little toll when I get my whole schedule straightened out. I know where I'm gonna be working. I just know I'll be in the city somewhere, hopefully. So that's gonna be happening. So that means if I do have a job, I mean more money to figure out videos and buy products for you guys so I can do reviews and things like that because I think that'll be fun. Yeah, so when that happens, you guys will definitely get the update, of course, right away. I'll definitely tell you guys all about it. And if you guys want like outfits for like work and stuff when that happens, let me know. I'm thinking maybe doing some fashion videos in the future. I did one or two videos in the past, but I don't know. We'll see. Let me know. Anything does. I just want to give you guys my goals and what I predict for this channel because I just want to tell you guys, and I hope you guys are excited as much as I am for 2019. I think this will be a great year for us and for all you other YouTubers. So if you guys haven't already, please subscribe down below for videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Subscribe down below and follow me on my social media, like I said. But I want to try to be very active and connect with you guys and just like be more of a social media guru. That is all. I love you guys so much. Love you guys so much. And I will see you guys in another video. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys had an amazing 2018 and have an amazing 2019. So here goes to all your goals and wishes for 2019. Bye!